ਫਿਰੋਜ਼ਪੁਰ ਅੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਉਡਾਤੀ ਅਗਲੇ ਨੇ। ਰੂਪ ਅੱਡੇ ਦੇ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਉਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ। ਪੂਰਾ ਬੰਬ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ।
That's the place.
Okay, what are you pointing at?
I'm pointing to the center of the world.
Oh,
Bon air.
this is the world map
Yeah.
that our sister-in-law just returned to Olga. It has Olga's name on it. I didn't ever remember it, and Olga says, "Oh yeah."
Bought this and we had it on the wall in that third bedroom in Florida.
Before the big travels.
Yes. We had plans. We knew we had plans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, on this trip, we've started out here in Hawaii, down to Australia.
We should be here. Hawaiian Islands, Honolulu, right here. Okay.
Okay, but we went west,
We went this way.
southwest to
Yeah, we
Australia,
came from there. Yeah.
then to Bali, then to Singapore, India, Thailand, Oman, Bulgaria, Holland, Ireland.
Somebody asked recently, where's Oman? Oman is right here, and we were in Muscat over there.
Okay,
Okay.
yep. And now
Where are we now?
we landed in North Carolina, then Florida.
Charlotte. And
Yep. Now we're in Houston.
Houston, Texas. Here's Texas. I don't see even. Yeah, right here.
Yep.
Okay.
And we're still sorting out.
We're a little closer to
Mhm.
Hawaii.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're not due back till August, and let's see
Let's
what
see how
plays
it
out.
spins.
Huh?
Yeah. Totally.
The barometer. Well, we didn't get far today, but we're participating in a yard sale.
I'm gonna see if I can find a book that I'd like to
All kinds of collectibles, tools. Olga's a great organizer. And she informed me that this is called Minimalist Assist. So it does fit in with our bigger scheme, but the surroundings are just beautiful. It's May, we're in Houston, and doing a yard sale.